Alright, so we have this DJI Mic2 connected Bluetooth. They say the connection's kind of spotty with a GoPro 13, but I wanted to test, so give me a moment. Let's put this down. Hello, hello, hello. Testing, testing, testing. Oh, it's not even, is it? Hello? No, it's still, yeah, it's connected. Okay, cool. See how far back we can go. Testing, testing, testing. I am about, I want to say, almost 12 feet easily. Yeah, dude. 12 feet. So you compare it to a DJI Mic 2, so that's a cool thing about this. Now, as I showed, the only bad thing about this GoPro 13 is the light, and at night it doesn't compare to the other options like the Insta360 or DJI Hero, what's called the Action 5 or the Action 6 from DJI. So, but at least you can connect it to um, a mic, which is pretty cool. If not, if you don't get this connection and it's not good, you can get the GoPro sells a connector, but I mean that's $100, so I'm pretty sure you're not gonna want to do that. But I've used it, I've done it a couple times, and no issue.